Today's video we are going to learn 10 most common English phrasal verbs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Wake up, wake up. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Clean up, clean up. We need to clean up the room. We need to clean up the room. Go out, go out. John went out to buy some fruits. John went out to buy some fruits. Get on, get on. Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus. Get off, get off. We got off the bus. We got off the bus. Put on, put on. Put on your coat. Put on your coat. Take off. Take off. He takes off his jacket. He takes off his jacket. Run away. Run away. He ran away from the house. He ran away from the house. Look after. Look after. Can you help me to look after the kids? Can you help look after the kids? Turn on. Turn on. He turned on the TV to watch cricket. He turned on the TV to watch cricket.